Alright, everybody that's having a problem with a 2002 Chevy Malibu V6 3.1 engine, I have the cure. I don't know how I figured it out. It took me 4 days to get it running, but what happened is all of a sudden my door lock stopped working, trunk didn't work, lights inside didn't work, gas gauge, temperature gauge, nothing worked, and it would start and it would just stall. Everybody was telling me it was the anti-theft system or the BCM. So after playing with it for 4 days, I figured it out, and it's 100% working for the past 5 days, and I'm going to show you how I did it. Now, as you can see, the door locks work. Hold on. Gas gauge works. It starts right up. This is 100% fixed, and I'm going to show you how I did it right now. You got to go over to the BCM, which is on the passenger side. Hold on. It was not an easy fix either, but now since I know how I did it, it was very easy actually. I just took 4 days to figure it out. Even the Chevy dealer, nobody can figure it out. But what I did is, if you underneath the glove box there's a plastic mold and you take that off, and you're gonna see the BCM right up there. It's gonna have the 3 wires. Over here on a pink connector, the bottom row, okay, you're gonna see a white wire, the 4th one in. You're gonna take that and put one of these splitters on here, and you're gonna run a power wire to it from here. And you go over to right here to this fuse box, and you see I just got it stuck in a fuse. You go hardwire it into the power, but anyways, you gotta take that, you gotta run power to that wire down here. Again, it's gonna be the pink clip, the 4th wire on the bottom from this way going this way. It's the 4th wire. It's a white wire. If you run a power wire to that, everything will be fixed and it will run with no problems at all. And it also completely bypasses all the theft stuff and every problem that you could be having. Trust me. That's the way to do it, because I watched over 100 videos on YouTube and everything everybody said did not work. So if you want to get your car started from 2001 or 2005 Chevys, trust me, it does work. I already showed you. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel please. I'm just starting out and I'll make more videos like this. Thank you and God bless.